Hi, my earth science students. I'm going to demonstrate, or actually my daughter's going to demonstrate how to do, okay, the moon lab. All right. So each person needs to have 7 Oreos. If you don't have 7 Oreos, that's totally okay. All right. You can actually draw it in. All right. What I did with the Oreos is I split them apart. All right. And I lined them up here. All right. So what you're going to do is on the second page, okay, you are going to demonstrate, okay, this first thing or first picture, which is called the waxing crescent.
You
all
can
right.
show that.
All right. So the waxing crescent, and we took off some of the frosting. Okay, it looks like this. So it looks like a upside down. Okay, C. All right. That's how I remember it with like crescent. Okay, C. And it's lit on the right hand side. So this is the first phase after the new moon. Okay, we'll get to the new moon. So you're just going to put it right there. Okay, and you're going to write waxing crescent. Okay, position 2, which is right here, okay, is what we call the first quarter. So Juliana, what you need to do is you need to take half of it off, okay? And it should be lights, okay, on the right hand side. Oh, you did it on the left hand side. So what do you think you need to do? Yeah, good. Okay, so then what you need to do is you need to put it, okay, on here. So put it on position 2. Good job. Okay, and that's what we call first quarter. Can you write first quarter?
What is a different way of spelling quarter?
Nope, it's the same way. So if you look, okay, it's starting to get really, really light, okay, or half light on the right-hand side. So the next one's going to get even lighter on the right-hand side. So it's going to be the majority of the Oreo, just maybe a little sliver on the left-hand side that doesn't have the frosting. Okay, so can you show that?
What?
So you're going to take, okay, just a little bit, okay, from the left-hand side off. Good, that's perfect. Okay, and you're going to put it in position 3. Okay, so position 3. Good. Okay, and position
That's not what
3.
it shows on the picture.
Okay, is right there. It doesn't, but we only see. This is a good question, Juliana. She's like, well, that's not what we see in the picture. I said, yeah, but we're looking from the Earth. So the stuff on the back, on the bottom over here, or the back over there, is not stuff that we see. Okay. And that's what we call a waxing. Okay, so the word waxing.
Hi.
Okay, and this is hard. This is called gibbous. 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 Okay, and the way I remember gibbous and crescent is the gibbous, okay, kind of looks like you can fit a big G in that. Okay, you can't fit a big G in this one. Okay, so gibbous, the majority of it. Yeah, you can take a little bit off more. Okay. So after that, okay, is position 4. Position 4 from Earth, we can see all of it. Okay. So you're not going to take anything off.
Then
Okay.
I need to replace this part.
You don't want to replace. Oh, okay. You can put. Oh, that looks good. Okay. So Juliana, what is it called when you see the whole moon? Do you know what that's called?
Full moon.
Oh my God, you're so smart. She gets it from her mama.
No,
Okay.
I don't.
All right. So we're going to put that full moon. Okay. All right. So now after the full moon, what happens is it starts to get darker on the right. So in the waxing, it gets lighter on the right. Okay. And when we call in the waning, okay, it starts to get darker from the right. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to take off, okay, a little bit of the frosting from the right hand side now. Okay. So now on here, you're going to put, okay,
Just filling it in.
well, you have to take some of it off on the right hand.
That's
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So what that's called is waning, WANING, gibbous. So when it gets darker from the right, okay, it's called waning. Okay, so
Oh, so it's called gibbous because it's a little bit off?
just a little bit. Remember, you could fit that big G in there, the big G. Okay? What do you think is going to be next, Juliana? Do you have any idea what's going to be next? Look at this one. This guy is right from the right hand
so
side.
you would take off the right hand side and then make the left hand side full.
Okay, let me see you do that then.
Got the
Okay, do you think that's right? Doesn't that look like this guy right here? So what do you need? Yeah, you got to flip it. Good. So guess what that's called?
maybe what is that one? I don't
Oh, gibbous? No. This is
no, I meant that one
waning?
and then waning quarter.
No, close. This is called third quarter. So put third quarter. So position 6, okay, which is right here, is called third quarter. And the reason why it's called third quarter is because of the fact
How do you
that
spell third?
THIR,
T-H. Oh, I switched it.
D, and then quarter. The reason why it's called third quarter is because it happens 3 weeks after the new moon, okay? When do you think this one happens? If this is 3 weeks after how many weeks is this?
I don't know, like 1?
Yeah, 1, okay? All right, so the next one, okay, you're gonna take all of it off except for a little C on the left-hand side. So can you do that? Oh, you're using your hands? It's all right, don't worry
That's
about it.
easy.
It's easier? I would think it would be easier with the... Oh, look at that. Look at that crescent. Oh, good job. So put that over there. Okay. And that's what we call, okay, because it kind of looks like a C or it kind of looks like a, croissant, if you want to think about it that way. Okay. That's what we call a waning what? Waning
Crest.
crescent. Waning crescent.
Crescent.
So put waning crescent. Nope. Well, close enough. She's 7-year-old. All right, last one, Juliana. What do you think's gonna happen with the last one here?
I don't know.
Well, this one's getting darker and darker, right? Until there's what?
Nothing.
Nothing. So try this one, right? Because this has nothing, right?
Okay.
All right. Take all the stuff off. Take all that stuff off.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know what it's called when there is no moon?
What? A night without?
Close. It's called the new moon. So put the new moon. So guys, this is what you're going to do, okay? Like I said, if you have the Oreos, then do it and take a picture, okay? If you don't have the Oreos, you can just use this video, okay? I hope the video helped, okay? And then, of course, you can eat them. Go for it, Juliana. Eat it. Nom, 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 nom. No! Who doesn't like Oreos? I'm going to eat one. Which one should I start with?
You should start with the nun.
The 9? That's not good. Bye.